If you've ever posted on LinkedIn and wish that post could stay visible forever, then the featured section is for you. This is where your best content can live on your profile and forever be seen by the employers you're trying to impress. Welcome back to day 5 of my LinkedIn profile series, and today we're focusing on the featured section. Now, I'll be walking you through one of the most underutilized tools on your LinkedIn profile. Now, this is where you can showcase your best content, tell your professional story, and help hiring managers understand exactly what you bring to the table. So let's get into it. Now, your featured section is like a digital portfolio or a highlight reel, giving you a place to pin your best work at the top of your profile. Now, here's why it's so important. LinkedIn posts typically have a limited lifespan, so they might show up in your feeds for 24 or 48 hours, maybe a week if they're viral, but then they get buried. So your featured section allows you to pin those valuable posts, videos, articles, or external links. They're always visible, showing up front and center whenever someone visits your profile. Now, one of the biggest takeaways from a recent presentation I gave was the power of positioning yourself as a guide rather than just a candidate. Now, in the featured section, you have an opportunity to showcase content that doesn't just talk about what you do, but shows how you do it, how you solve problems, and why you're a valuable asset to any team. So think about this section as a way to demonstrate your expertise, the impact of your work, and your unique value. Instead of just listing skills, job titles, or buzzwords like thought leader, select content that shows your thought leadership or gives a behind the scenes look at how you approach your work. Essentially, this section gives you the chance to show your employers what you do rather than just telling them. Now, remember, potential employers are looking for someone that they can trust to solve their biggest challenges. So use this space to show how you can be that person. Now, let's talk about what types of content to add to your featured section as a job seeker. So think about content that aligns with these goals. So key achievements and results. Pin posts or case studies that showcase a significant achievement, especially if it's a quantifiable result, like increased revenue, improved efficiency, or completed projects. For example, if you posted about leading a project that saved the company time or money, add it here. Next, think about client or project success stories. If you've created content that highlights how you've helped past clients or teams succeed, this is where it belongs. This helps you position yourself as a problem solver with a real world impact. Next, think about thought leadership or industry insights. Now, articles, LinkedIn posts, or videos where you share insights or trends in your field can establish you as a credible expert. Now, this is particularly powerful if you're in fields like marketing, tech, or project management, where staying updated is crucial. Now, then think about media mentions or speaking engagements. Now, if you've spoken at an event, been interviewed, or published an article externally, pin it to your featured section. Now, these pieces show your visibility and influence in your industry. And then portfolio pieces or project demos. For creative fields like design or writing, add links to your online portfolio and a showcase of your work or a summary of major projects that you've worked on. Showcasing your work is a fantastic way to give employers a tangible sense of your skills. Okay, so first choose what you want to showcase, and then it's just a case of adding it to your featured section. Now, fortunately, this is all very simple, and it's like curating your own highlight reel. Now, here's how you do it. So if you just click on the plus icon link in the featured section, and when you click on this, you'll see several options to add content like posts, articles, links, and media. Now, select the type of content that you want to feature. Now, if you want to pin a post from your LinkedIn feed, select posts and you'll be able to choose from your recent posts. Now, you can also link external websites, YouTube videos, or upload documents directly. Now, choose content that reflects your value. So go through your recent post, links, or portfolio pieces and select those that represent your strengths, showcase achievements, or offer insight into how you think and work. Now, the goal is to help hiring managers quickly see your best work without having to scroll through your entire profile. So keep updating your featured section as your career progresses, or if you create new content, update your featured section to reflect your latest accomplishments. Now, this ensures that everyone that visits your profile sees the most most relevant and impressive highlights. Now, to give you a few ideas, here's how job seekers in different fields might use the featured section effectively. So as a sales professional, pin a post about a recent win, like exceeding quarterly sales goals or bringing in high-profile clients. Now, include a case study or testimonial if you have one. Now, if you're a software developer, feature a link to your GitHub profile or project demo that showcases your coding skills and development processes. Highlight any certifications or hackathons that you've been part of. And if you're a marketing specialist, pin articles or videos where you discuss marketing trends or successful campaigns that you've led. Now, you could also include links to client projects or social media campaigns that had notable results. Now, as a project manager, pin content that highlights your project management skills, like a post about a completed project or a video explaining how you streamlined a process. Any content showing organization and leadership skills will help you stand out. And just like I often say, this section is your chance to position yourself as a guide and as an authority in your field, not just a job seeker. Use your featured section to show that you're a trusted resource, someone who understands the challenges of your industry and has proven results. The content you pin here should make it clear that you're the solution to the problems a hiring manager is facing. So to sum up, your LinkedIn featured section is a powerful tool that allows you to showcase your best work, position yourself as an expert, and help hiring managers see your value instantly. Think of it as a living portfolio that shows exactly why you're the right person for the job. Now, take some time to review your best posts, videos, and links and pin them here. It's like a highlight reel for your professional story. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because next up we're talking about the experience section where you can go even deeper into your achievements. I'll see you there.